Hello, hello, hello. Just got done watching the final season of Star Trek Discovery. And it's 5 seasons? Is that correct?
I think that's what it was.
Yes, 5 seasons.
Yeah.
And I will link it below. It has an average of about a 45-minute episode per episode, and it's just another spin-off of the Federation and those who work for the Federation in the Star Trek universe, genre. The character Michael Burnham is the main character in the story, and it kind of follows her journey through her entire career, basically. She seems to be the one all the episodes really focus on. But of course, they go on lots of adventures throughout the seasons. They have various bad guys that they have to deal with, various quests, and all the typical stuff that you see in Star Trek shows. I thought this was done really well. I loved the casting in this. I loved the diversity that they showed in this. And I even thought that some of the subjects that they wound up touching on through some of the seasons were pretty good and pretty thoughtful.
It's definitely binge-worthy.
Yeah, it's certainly something that if you are a fan of Star Trek in general, I would say that this is worth checking out and seeing what you think. I would give it an easy, I would say, 3.5 out of 5 stars.
Solid 4.
You'd give it a 4? A couple of the seasons, towards the end of those seasons, it just got a little old for me, and I was ready for them to move on with a different storyline. That's why I'm giving it 3.5 instead of a 4. But overall, I certainly think it's well worth watching. If you have seen any of Star Trek Discovery's series, let me know what you thought of what you've seen. Maybe you've seen some, maybe you saw it all. Let me know. And if you have not, are you a Star Trek fan in general? I'm not really drawn to that series, or that brand, if you will, so much, but I can find it entertaining. I'm just not someone who would consider myself like a fan, per se. But yeah, I think it's worth watching if you enjoy actually any kind of sci-fi, futuristic space exploration style content. Thank you so much for watching this, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.